This is a fall tomato update. So, okay, I have more tomatoes than I have room for, of course. I started chopping down the ones that were done producing, like my Black Beauty. You guys know that one was done. My Black Crim, I got my last one this morning. So I'm bringing those down, and then I've replaced them already. So where the Black Beauty was, the Black Cherry now is. Where the Black Crim was, the Carbon now is. And then where my violas were, my New Yorker now is. I know that's probably not going to be enough room for it, but I literally don't have room right now. So if anything, that'll be temporary. That's fine. Here's what I'm thinking. I take out my dahlias. They're really not doing anything for me. I've gotten maybe 3 pretty flowers from there. So I think I'm going to take them down. I'll put 3 tomatoes there. I think 3 will be fine. Maybe I'll like cut back some of those cosmos so they can have more room. And then I'm mostly going to see how those do during the heat wave tomorrow. It's going to be 92 degrees. If they straight up die, then I'm going to wait for the weather to cool down a bit, and then I'll plant out the rest of them. Because, I mean, I don't want to plant out all my tomatoes today and then they all freaking die tomorrow. If they make it, I'm taking down that Marglobe, which is really sad because there are still tomatoes growing on it. I mean, the entire bottom of the plant is spent. So I think I'm just going to stop growing this one because these are going to be tiny. And then same for the Marglobe that's in this pot. Like I said, I am getting little ones, but I just feel like it's time to cut my losses with my Marglobes. I'm going to cut them down and then put new tomatoes in there. The problem is I feel like my tomatoes are outgrowing those cups. I mean, the ones that I taken out, the roots didn't look bad at all, but I still feel like that's just really tall for those cups. So I don't know how much longer I can keep them in there for and hold out until some more tomato plants die and then I can put them out. I don't know. Oh, also, I cut down my Velvet Queen sunflower. So if that doesn't give me any more heads, then I'm going to take that down, put a tomato in that pot. Literally, as I was about to start taking down my dahlias, look at what I see. A really pretty one. Look at this. They never grow that perfect. You guys have seen my other ones. They grow in, just looking torn. Oh, I can't cut it down now. And I have another one coming in. Okay. You're saved today. So it's currently 92 out here, and as you can see, the plant is fine. It's doing so well. I was so scared that it was going to be just like, you know, dead. Like dead as a doornail in this heat. But no, they look fine. Like they handled today like a champ. So I'm going to plant out my other tomatoes, I don't know, soon.